Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get more applications on your Roku device. So if you look, I have my applications list right here. I wanted to continue to scroll on down, and we no longer have to use a website to add applications. We can just go on down to where it says Add Apps right here, or turn off. So we can go to Add Apps, and we can find apps here. So we can search for them, or we can just go through the recommended ones, and then we can install it on our device rather easy. So let's just find one and then install it here. So let's go back up to the top and maybe look for something. I want to get Twitch on here, but I don't think they have Twitch. But let's go to maybe Plex and select this. And then we can just go to Add App, and it's adding it. So a lot easier than it used to be on your Roku device. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.